Took a little week off for the Easter long weekend holidays leading up to Anzac Day, and all I've been doing is flying a drone really. So I decided to make a little video. I've got the Mavic Mini 3, I think that's what this one's called. I bought it for about $1,000 last year, and that was the Fly More combo. So I'll just show you this little kit. Tiny little drone. This skirts by a lot of the laws that we've got in Australia about drone regulations. You got to be a little bit careful. Comes with a controller with a built-in screen, which was a massive game changer coming from the Mavic Pro, having to use my phone. It's so nice to be able to just set this thing up and launch it without having any peripheral accessories. You got the battery with the charger. Use one of these orange data cables. Use whatever cable I want for charging really, it's just whatever's around. And this is the kit packed in. I mean, what more could you ask for? You could ask for a more powerful drone and a better drone, but for amateur work or for hobbyist work, pretty good. And here's a little bit of the footage. This is just straight out of the camera and a little bit of my camera work. We're down at Uriara Crossing on the Murrumbidgee River. This is Tess and I crossing the river down in the ACT in beautiful Canberra. And I didn't shoot this in log at all, so you can see it's a clip in the sky a little bit, not in this shot, you can see. But yeah, so this is shooting in 4K. I've got this in Adobe Rush on my phone, so it's exported in 1080. You can be the judge of me about the quality. I'm going to watch it a few times on some different devices myself. I've never really shot in log with this drone, so I'd be interested to test it out and do a little bit of a comparison view really. And I actually wouldn't even mind testing out my old drone. It doesn't really work that well, but maybe the image quality I could test it up, some static shots. And yes, a little bit of back and forth over a creek and over the main Murrumbidgee River. Uriara Crossing, I actually visited this river quite a lot about 20 years ago, and yeah, it's crazy. It's still here and it still looks nice, still beautiful, and now we get to fly drones over it and see what it looks like from the sky. But what a killer day. We did this hike and it's just beautiful. I think I have a few photos coming up from the day as well, and I've always loved flying drones. There's me sitting at the, oh yeah, a little bit idiot me, and a couple of nice trees. Just enjoy yourself guys, have a great one.